Can ashwagandha help you lose weight? Find out in this video. Hey, I'm Logan Christopher from Lost Empire Herbs, and today I want to talk about how ashwagandha might be able, just might be able, to help you lose weight. Now, losing weight is primarily about diet. There's no getting around that. And just taking some sort of magical pill or potion is not going to magically allow you to lose weight. So if you're thinking that, please dispel that idea. It's not going to work quite like that. That being said, there are some herbs out there that can help in roundabout ways. Ashwagandha is not something that's going to trigger your body to burn fat cells or anything like that. There are some herbs that may help with that, but honestly, once again, it's a small thing. But we can look at a roundabout way where if there are certain issues that you have that are kind of stopping your weight loss, ashwagandha may be able to help. So one of the primary functions, or what ashwagandha seems to do really well, is help people to deal with stress better. Ashwagandha is known as an adaptogen. It helps your body better adapt to stress, better be able to handle it. And this is physical stresses on the body, which can be like, say, a workout, or chemicals that are coming in from the environment or the food you're eating, but also mental stressors as well. Things like anxiety and worry, just having problems in your life that you need to think through. Ashwagandha can help there. What happens for a lot of people when they start taking ashwagandha regularly, and please don't expect this to start working right away, usually after a couple weeks of use or a month of use, people really start noticing there is a difference. You have stressors in your life. Everyone has them, and we're not getting away from that. But those stressors just seem to start affecting you less and less. And that's a good thing, where generally people get into a stress mode and they're stressed out. And what happens then? One way that people commonly deal with stress is overeating or making some bad choices around food. So if you're always stressed out and this is leading you to overeat or to make those bad choices, then that's likely to lead to weight gain, or at least stalling any weight loss plans you may have. However, if we're able to ratchet down that stress, make it so that stress does not affect us as much, then you're able to not overeat. You have a little bit more willpower because you're not wasting it on those stressors. You're able to make those better choices. So in that roundabout way, ashwagandha may be able to help with weight loss. And it's not just about the stress. I mean, we can go into some of the specific molecules of what's going on here with the hormones cortisol, ashwagandha helping to lower that, and with less of that you have possibly less inflammation in your body, less different things going on here. Ashwagandha can also help with sleep, which is an important part of stress too. So if you can get deeper, more restorative sleep, you're less likely to be stressed in the first place. So that's one of the mechanisms by which it can work there. It can also contribute to thyroid health as well, other hormones in the body, which in turn may do it. So if you are looking to lose weight, once again, do not think of this as a magic pill. But if that stress, if there really is a lot of stress in your life, then look at using something like ashwagandha and seeing if this can help you to reduce that stress and then to be able to move forward better on any weight loss plans that you have. There are many ashwagandhas out there on the market. I would recommend you give ours a try. Our ashwagandha, we have a tincture form here, which means you're just taking this liquid, squirting it under your tongue, holding it there. Do that a few times a day, and you can get the benefits. Our ashwagandha is biodynamic and organically farmed up in the Oregon area, and it is spagierically prepared. So there's nothing quite like this tincture out there on the market. I would put it up against anything else out there. That's not saying there aren't other great ashwagandha products. There absolutely are. Overall, I would say just try some ashwagandha, see if it can help you, but realize that not all ashwagandha is created the same. So there's a big difference between like just a dried root powder versus an powdered extract versus our tincture, which is spagyric, biodynamic, all that great stuff. Try them all, see what works for you. That's the only ultimate way to find out what works out. But I know we have some very, very good ashwagandha. Everyone that has experience with ashwagandha, they try this tincture, there's like, wow, there's something special there. Has a great flavor. It may take a little getting used to it, but I think it's really great flavor. And of course, we're going to be having a few other videos around ashwagandha, see the benefits. You can see the farm, see the processing that goes behind everything we do for our spagyric tincture. Try out our ashwagandha. If you're not over at lostempireherbs.com, head on over there. You can find a lot more information about ashwagandha. We have all kinds of research, the details behind what this amazing plant adaptogen can do for you.